Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to find an iDrop on your iPhone to send several files on the other iPhone wirelessly. So first thing you have to do here is just go open your settings and make sure that the Bluetooth is on. Here my Bluetooth is off. When the Bluetooth is off, we cannot access iDrop on our phone. How to check it? You can slide your screen into downside and just need to click this side and hold it until the menu is pop up. Click and hold, and after that you can see here when the Bluetooth is off, the AirDrop is also off. So to turn on the AirDrop, you need to turn on the Bluetooth first. Now we turn on the Bluetooth, and now you have access to turn on the AirDrops too. You can do it manually or fast here, or you can just back into your settings. Okay, here is the settings, and after we already in the settings, we just need to go in the general. And this general, you can go in AirDrop, and now you just need to click in everyone for 10 minutes. Means that your iDrop will be able to be accessed by another iDrops for 10 minutes. And what if you need to send the files? So you just need to go back on the home screen and find out what files that you want to send into your friends. For example, let's send some photo here, and after that you just need to go click this share, and now just need to click in AirDrops. And now when the AirDrops or other iPhone is nearest to you and the AirDrop is on, there will be pop up here, and you can just click the ID to start sending the file. So that's the way how to find the AirDrop on your phone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.